The French reconnaissance vehicle with a 105mm gun, AMX-10, on the move. So, what's the main feature of this tank? Or ARPV, as some call it?
It's speed and maneuverability. It can move in quickly, engage the target, and rapidly withdraw from the firing position to cover.
And it also has a high rate of fire?
It can be very fast. It depends on the loader, though. 6 seconds, and there goes a shot.
Can it achieve 5 to 6 rounds per minute?
Easily.
So it's like a light artillery piece.
We can do 10 to 12 rounds.
Per 1 minute?
Yes, per minute, in 1 minute and 10 seconds.
That makes it one of the fastest artillery pieces?
Well, it is, if we need to suppress a large infantry assault, for example. This vehicle can handle it.
At the range you're using now, 5 to 6 kilometers. Is it accurate?
Quite accurate, yes, especially with adjustments from drones assisting in fire correction.
What are the priority targets? Vehicles, infantry, bunkers, positions?
We engage all of them, but primarily infantry and lightly armored vehicles.
An FPV drone just appeared. Not sure if it's ours or not. Where is it? Holy! The AMX-10 keeps doing its job. How often do you encounter enemy FPV drones during operations?
Very often, definitely much more than last year, because there are plenty of targets for them. Drones operate in shifts constantly.
Where is it?
Right above us.
Damn it, it's not ours.
I've been serving on this tank since the beginning, trained in France. It's an excellent vehicle that delivers good results against the enemy.
And I actually rode on top of it. Tears came to my eyes at how fast it goes.
In conditions like today, probably around 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. On good roads, up to 90 kilometers per hour.
Your call sign is Rapier, so like the Soviet MT-12 Rapier anti-tank gun. Similar characteristics, range.
Yeah, the MT-12 is 100 millimeters.
Just a longer barrel? Can you compare them?
Well, the Rapier is called like this for its accuracy.
And this one?
Same. It has a 105 millimeter rifled barrel.
Are there any unique features, like those seen on Swedish tanks?
It has a hydropneumatic suspension with 4 preset positions, from standard to maximum elevation. So, there's a mode for asphalt, for a good road, one for rough terrain, and the highest setting for crossing ditches and obstacles. If necessary, you can also adjust just the front, increase the angle, or the rear part. It is adjustable in all positions, as the driver wishes.
So, you can even lower it when going downhill?
Yes, exactly. You can either increase or decrease the vertical gun angle using the suspension.
The crew size is 3?
4. Unlike Soviet tanks, and many foreign ones, it has a dedicated loader, because there's no auto loader. It also lacks stabilization, but at the end of the day, performance depends on the crew. The crews I know all underwent training in the Republic of France and performed well. And even the French instructors were impressed by our soldiers' skills. With additional installed equipment, we conduct indirect fire from covered positions, something the French themselves don't do with this wheeled vehicle, as they don't use it for indirect fire.
So that part is entirely up to you guys?
Yes. When we asked the French about indirect fire, they told us they don't use it that way, because they have Caesar howitzers for that. But unfortunately, we don't have enough Caesars, so we adapted and made it work.
Send us more Caesars or AMX-10s. Did you set up a makeshift aiming system here in Ukraine?
Yes, exactly.
Using Kropiva?
Yes,
Thank you for your service.
serving the Ukrainian people.
У нього зліва.
Декілька метрів від нього.
Да.
Посередині живі.
Да, все нормально.
Все нормально.
Are you recording?
Да. Що він став?
Перший раз.
For the first time,
Знімальний
Army TV, or rather the AMX-10, was attacked by an enemy FPV drone, live on air.
відпрацював FPV-дрон ворога.
We're heading back now, moving to more advantageous positions.
Вигідний всі рупіті.
Alright, let's get out of here.